Welcome back to a new video. I am the Italian investor and today we are talking about Michael Burry's decision to close his short position on Tesla. Some months ago, every headline was talking about Michael Burry's enormous short position on Tesla, but he said it wasn't as big as the financial headlines said. He said the position was not particularly big and he said it was just a trade, that's why he closed it. In fact, for those who don't know, Michael Burry sometimes mess around with technical analysis. This could be shocking for someone, but yes, sometimes Michael Burry uses technical analysis to position himself on some stocks. He learned this when he was young and playing with futures. He also talked about Bitcoin and said they are a speculative bubble. He's not shorting Bitcoin, but he believes it's a speculative bubble. I don't know if it's a bubble, it's really hard to tell. Almost impossible probably. But one important thing is that cryptocurrencies in general right now are not changing our lives. They are not having a huge impact on our lives. So maybe these huge valuations are not correct, but it's really hard to tell. Because cryptocurrencies in the future could change the world. More than cryptocurrencies, blockchains could change the world we are living in. Cryptocurrencies like Ethereum could have a strong impact on our lives and on technology. So maybe right now they could be a bubble, but in the future they could be worth a lot more than they are now, because they will have a broader impact on our lives and they will change the technologies we are using. What do you think about it? Do you think Michael Burry is doing the right thing, closing his short position on Tesla? Or maybe are you short Tesla? And do you think Bitcoin is a bubble? Let me know in the comment section. That's it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. See you next time. Bye!